Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The moment you step into this 3800 modern apartment in central London, located inside the iconic Corniche development overlooking the River Thames, you instantly understand why this building has become one of the most prestigious residential addresses in the entire city. Everything about this home feels intentional, refined, and crafted to reflect the very best of luxury urban living. It is one of those rare apartments where world-class design meets one-of-a-kind views, and every inch of the space whispers exclusivity. From the moment the door opens, the atmosphere of sophistication is undeniable. The apartment welcomes you with a deep sense of calm, elegance, and privacy, an oasis suspended high above London's most historic landmarks. As soon as you enter, your eyes are naturally drawn toward the panoramic windows filling the entire living space with daylight. It's not just light pouring in, it's the whole skyline. The Houses of Parliament rise directly ahead, with Big Ben proudly standing as the centerpiece. The River Thames glides below like a moving ribbon of silver, reflecting the sky and the architecture around it. And as you shift your gaze slightly to the right, you see the London Eye turning slowly, adding that iconic touch of motion to an otherwise serene view. To have all of this framed from your living room is something truly extraordinary. Before you even explore the layout, the energy of the home already tells you something special is happening here. The design language follows clean lines, smooth materials, high ceilings, and a neutral color palette meant to complement, not compete with the skyline outside. Every detail is streamlined and elegant, with lighting carefully positioned to highlight the architecture yet stay discreet enough to let the views remain the star. The entire apartment has been designed by acclaimed international designers who understand that true luxury is about feeling effortless, natural, and intuitive. As you step farther into the living area, the room expands into an open, concept layout that blends living, dining, and kitchen spaces seamlessly. The living room is anchored by a plush, oversized bespoke sofa facing the windows, positioned to take full advantage of the breathtaking scenery. Whether you're relaxing during the day or hosting guests in the evening, the skyline becomes your constant backdrop. The materials used here, soft fabrics, sculptural furniture pieces, subtle metallic accents, and warm wood flooring, give the home a sense of quiet indulgence. Everything feels high-end without feeling over the top, which is exactly the kind of balance luxury homes strive for. The dining area is placed perfectly beside the views, so every meal, from a simple breakfast to a formal dinner, comes with a multi-million-pound visual. A sleek, modern dining table sits beneath a refined pendant light that casts a warm glow during nighttime meals, contrasting beautifully with the sparkling city lights outside. During the day, the space needs no artificial light at all, as the ceiling glass lets the natural brightness fill every corner. It is the kind of dining space that feels both intimate and dramatic, depending on the time of day. The kitchen is a perfect example of functional luxury. It features high-gloss cabinetry, integrated meal appliances, a wine cooler, and a large stone countertop that doubles as both a workspace and a serving area. Every appliance is tucked away neatly, maintaining the clean and uncluttered aesthetic of the apartment. Soft, closed drawers, hidden storage solutions, and accent lighting add to the experience. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a showcase of craftsmanship and efficiency. It is elegant enough to feel like part of the living space, but practical enough for serious cooking. As you walk down the hallway, subtle recessed lighting guides your way, enhancing the architectural lines of the apartment. The hallway walls are finished in warm, neutral tones that amplify the feeling of calmness. Along the corridor, you find built-in storage spaces designed to keep the home free from clutter. Even the hallways are a reminder that this apartment is designed to offer luxury in every detail. The first bedroom is a perfectly appointed guest suite. It features large windows that allow natural light to flood the space while maintaining a sense of privacy. The room is fitted with bespoke wardrobes, soft carpeting, and a minimalist design that ensures comfort without sacrificing style. The ensuite bathroom that accompanies this room is designed with marble tiles, polished chrome fixtures, a walk-in shower, and LED mirror lighting that gives the space a sophisticated and spa-like feel. Moving to the second bedroom, you can instantly tell that this one has been designed with versatility in mind. It can function as a guest bedroom, a home office, or even a personal studio. The built-in desk, modern shelving, and spacious layout make it ideal for anyone who works from home or needs a quiet creative space. The views from this room are equally impressive, offering an inspiring glimpse of the city that can fuel productivity or serve as a peaceful retreat. But the true highlight of the apartment appears as you reach the primary suite. As soon as you enter, the room feels like a luxury hotel suite. Soft, warm lighting, velvet textures, deep neutral tones, and sculptural modern furniture pieces create a sophisticated environment. The bed is positioned to face the windows, so the first thing you see every morning is the Thames reflecting the early sunlight and the historic architecture of Parliament. At night, the city lights shimmer across the water, creating a magical ambience that most people only experience from a distance. The primary suite also includes a spacious walk-in wardrobe with custom cabinetry. Everything is designed with precision, offering dedicated spaces for shoes, accessories, outfits, and formal wear. LED strip lights illuminate the shelving, elevating the experience and making the dressing area feel like a private boutique. The ensuite bathroom is a sanctuary of contemporary design. Marble surfaces wrap around the room, from the floors to the vanity countertops. A freestanding bathtub sits beside a window, allowing you to soak with views of the skyline. The walk-in rain shower, floating double sink, and gold or chrome fixtures all contribute to a design language that feels both serene and opulent. This bathroom is not just functional, it's meant to redefine daily routines with a sense of grandeur and relaxation. Beyond the apartment itself, the Corniche development offers an entire lifestyle. Residents have access to a private health and wellness club featuring an indoor swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, a sauna, steam rooms, and spa treatment facilities. There is also a private cinema room, a resident lounge, a 24-hour concierge service, and exclusive access to a rooftop terrace with panoramic views stretching across London. These amenities aren't just extras. They are an integral part of the living experience, designed for convenience, privacy, and indulgence. One of the most remarkable aspects of this apartment is its location. Being in central London means that everything, restaurants, theaters, government buildings, financial districts, luxury shopping streets, and historic sites, is only minutes away. You are positioned right between the pulse of modern London and the heritage of old London. Standing on the balcony, you hear the familiar sounds of the city, feel the breeze coming off the river, and take in the timeless architecture that surrounds you. It's a reminder that living here is not just about owning a home, it's about owning a piece of London's most iconic landscape. Throughout the day, the apartment transforms depending on the light. In the morning, warm sunlight spills into the living room, creating a sense of freshness and possibility. During midday, the space feels vibrant and energized, with reflections from the river dancing across the ceiling. And at night, the skyline becomes a work of art. The illuminated London Eye, the golden glow of Parliament, and the shimmering river create a backdrop that no interior decorator could ever replicate. The home becomes a front row seat to the beauty of the city. As you walk through the apartment one last time, you begin to appreciate the thoughtful balance between modern design and timeless views. The architecture of the home is contemporary and sleek, but the scenery outside carries centuries of history. That contrast creates a sense of depth and meaning that elevates the entire experience. Every space is designed to enhance the way you live, the way you entertain, and the way you relax. This apartment is not just about high-end finishes or luxury amenities. It's about perspective. It's about waking up to a skyline that millions admire from afar. It's about having your own private view of the Thames, the Parliament buildings, and London's most iconic structures. It's about living at the intersection of luxury and legacy. The Corniche offers more than a home. It offers a lifestyle defined by elegance, comfort, exclusivity, and an unparalleled connection to the heart of London. If you imagine hosting friends here, it becomes even more unreal. Picture a dinner party where the conversation flows easily because the scenery alone sets the mood. Guests gather near the windows, mesmerized by the view. Laughter fills the modern living room, glasses reflect the glow of the city lights, and the atmosphere feels sophisticated yet welcoming. It's the kind of setting that turns ordinary moments into unforgettable ones. Even quiet evenings feel magical. Sitting on the balcony with a cup of tea or a glass of wine, hearing the soft hum of the city below while watching boats glide across the river, it's an experience that redefines what urban living can feel like. And when it rains, the reflections on the Thames create a cinematic beauty that almost feels unreal. The home offers the practicality of modern living as well. Smart home technology allows you to control lighting, temperature, and security with ease. The sound insulation is superior, ensuring peace and privacy even in the heart of the city. The building offers secure parking, private elevators, and 5-star service through the concierge team, making everyday life smooth and effortless. By the time you leave the apartment, there's a clear realization: homes like this are not created often. The combination of location, design, architecture, views, and amenities makes this one of the most desirable residences in London. For $3,800,000, you are not just buying a piece of real estate. You are investing in an extraordinary lifestyle. A lifestyle where the city becomes your living room, where the river becomes your private artwork, and where every moment feels elevated. Standing at the door before stepping out, you take one last look at the skyline. Big Ben stands tall, the Thames moves steadily beneath the building, the London eye keeps turning, and the city lights shimmer like stars. It becomes undeniably clear why this apartment is worth every penny. It is a home that captures the power, beauty, and soul of London in one breathtaking frame. It is luxury living at its finest, modern, elegant, and unforgettable.